This is the voiceless consonant sound f. The f sound is unvoiced. The vocal cords do not vibrate during its production. To create the f, the jaw is held nearly closed. The upper backside of the bottom lip is pressed very lightly into the bottom of the top teeth. F. We find this sound at the beginning of the word fish. F. Fish. We find this sound in the middle of the word toffee. F. Toffee. We find this sound at the end of the word leaf. Leaf. F. We can also find this word at the beginning and the end of the word fluff. F. Fluff. Try these different words after me. Fish. F. Toffee. F. Leaf. F. Fluff. F. Now, go and practice these sounds.